Good morning. I'm Sharon Wehrly. As you're all aware, the state of Nevada is implementing procedures to ensure social distancing as a mechanism to slow down the spread of COVID-19. We've no confirmed cases in Nye County, and our hope is by implementing preventative measures, we can keep it that way. Over the last several weeks, my office has made several modifications to operating procedures in an effort to do our part. Some of them are as follows. All administrative offices will remain open during regular business hours to serve the public. However, services will be reduced. Our staff will be avoiding all in-person contact, thus eliminating our ability to take fingerprints and photographs. The public will be able to talk to staff to complete all paperwork through our protective glass. However, will be required to return fingerprints and photographs unless they're taken by another agency and submitted to us via traditional mail, hand carry, or electronically. Evidence will remain open during regular business hours. Our staff will be avoiding all in-person contact, thus modifications will be made as needed to serve the public. Through our protective glass window, paperwork completion and submission will be conducted. During property return, the recipient will be asked to step outside and the technician will place the returned property outside the inner door. All employees and contractors in our detention centers have been being screened by medical and personnel daily for the last 3 weeks. New screening measures have been implemented to identify new arrests that may pose a risk to our jail population. Procedures are in place to isolate and treat any inmate suspected to be infected with virus, and additional cleaning and sanitation procedures have been put into place to keep the detention centers as disinfected and safe as possible. Nye County Detention has previously gone to a non-contact visit system for visits with inmates. All visits are completed via video visit and have been for years. Inmate video visitation is not affected by these changes. All face-to-face contact with inmates has been temporarily suspended, including church services and other jail programs involving outside interaction. My staff is working with the various courts in Nye County to begin video hearings to eliminate in-person inmate court interaction. Patrol deputies and animal control will begin handling many calls via phone or FaceTime to avoid public contact. Email and phones will be utilized for the transfer of information and statements to the extent possible. The CDC has recommended a distance of 6 feet between persons, which provides some protection from the spread of COVID-19. As a result of this guidance, deputies have been instructed to keep their distance when possible when interacting with the public. So please, don't take offense when they engage you from a distance. We have reassigned patrol resources to better provide services to the public. We have assigned specific deputies to conduct additional patrols of the shopping establishments in an effort to provide safety and security to those seeking to buy groceries and other necessities. Our deputies have been instructed to vigorously defend our residents against looting, larceny, and crimes intended to victimize people utilizing fear of the COVID-19. Sheriff's Office auxiliary officers have been reassigned from routine duties of paper service and are actively providing additional patrols of residential and commercial areas to augment patrols coverage. As always, dispatch is available 24/7. If you have a need for a deputy in a non-emergency, please call 775-751-7000, option 5. In an emergency, as always, dial 911. The safety and welfare of Nye County and its residents and visitors are our biggest concern. Thank you.